Well now, here's a recipe for a $100 ice cream creation. Creating a luxurious and indulgent ice cream creation with a budget of $100 requires high-quality ingredients and creative flavor combinations. Here's a deluxe ice cream sundae recipe that incorporates premium elements. Decadent double chocolate sundae. Ingredients: premium chocolate ice cream. 1 quart of high-quality, artisanal chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ganache. 1 cup of dark chocolate, finely chopped. 1 cup of heavy cream. Gold-dusted brownie bites. 8 pieces of rich chocolate brownies, you can buy or make them. 2 edible gold dust for decoration. Caramelized hazelnuts. 1 cup of whole hazelnuts. 2 half cup of granulated sugar. Luxurious whipped cream. 1 cup of heavy cream. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Edible gold leaf, optional. 1 for a touch of extravagance. Instructions: chocolate ganache. 1 heat the heavy cream in a saucepan until it simmers. 2 pour the hot cream over the chopped chocolate in a bowl. 3 let it sit for a minute, then stir until smooth. 3 set aside. Caramelized hazelnuts. 1 in a dry skillet, toast the hazelnuts over medium heat until fragrant. 2 add granulated sugar and stir continuously until the sugar melts and coats the hazelnuts. 3 transfer the caramelized hazelnuts to parchment paper to cool, then roughly chop. Whipped cream. 1 in a chilled bowl, whip the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. Assembling the sundae. 1 scoop generous servings of chocolate ice cream into individual bowls or glasses. 2 drizzle the chocolate ganache over the ice cream. 3 place gold-dusted brownie bites around the ice cream. 4 sprinkle caramelized hazelnuts on top. 5 add a dollop of luxurious whipped cream. 6 optionally, garnish with edible gold leaf for an extra touch of opulence. Serve this decadent double chocolate sundae as a show-stopping dessert for a special occasion. The combination of rich chocolate, velvety ganache, and crunchy hazelnuts creates a truly indulgent experience.